All right, another one in the books. Pretty cool deck, I think. I really like the way the shadow box wall came out. Pretty cool, all custom. The way the homeowner wanted it built. They're super happy about it. Yeah, that shadow box wall is pretty sweet. I'm happy with it too. Got a little Mr. Miyagi feel here. I rehabbed this. I took the old one apart, added onto it, and reframed it, added some railing. I'll show you those pictures at the end. What do you guys think? Let me know. I'm happy with it. Homeowner's happy with it. So that's all that matters.